5 things I don't allow myself to do being a mindset coach. I don't allow myself to think or say anything bad about myself. I need to be my biggest fan so that I can support myself through my journey. So I only allow peaceful or positive thoughts, feelings, and spoken word. Second thing is I don't allow myself to get all caught up judging another person. Instead, I maintain a space of compassion for knowing that they're probably struggling with something that I know nothing about, and I leave it there. Third thing is I don't allow myself to complain about a person or a situation, and instead I look to find presence or gratitude within that space because I've trained my perspective to see the good in anything. Fourth thing here, I do not allow my mind to drag me into a past experience and blame me for doing something that I could have done differently. Instead, I come to a place of self-love, knowing that I did the best I possibly could given my mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual resources and considering the circumstance. 5, I don't allow my mind to project a future of failure and suffering, either thinking about it or speaking about it. Instead, I visualize success and fulfillment and abundance and really experiencing a beautiful existence. With all that said, it's not like I never suffer from negative or toxic thoughts and feelings, but what I'm actively trying to do every single day is minimize the time I spend in that space and the frequency. If you want to learn how to do that, be sure to follow.